Hey folks, this is Eric the Old Jarhead, and we're headed out to do round 2 with Logzilla. So wish me luck. All right, if you can tell by the sawdust in my face, hair, shirt, and truck, there is no more Logzilla. Logzilla lost. The old jarhead won. Oh, we got about 900 board feet of primarily 2x6 dimensional, and it was a rough day. Really rough getting that log turned on the mill, but we got it turned, and it just took a whole lot of work, and I'm hoping I caught some on the camera, but we got it. A lot of trimming, a lot of whacking away at the bark, and taking the hammer to the bark and getting rid of bark so we could get the head past. So it was a long day, but we got a lot done. And then I ended up with a bad bearing on the drive. I don't know what they call them, an idler bearing underneath the mill head. I've had this mill about 5 years, and I guess those bearings don't last forever. So definitely was causing me some problems. I ran into some wavy cuts on the heavy knots and tightened up the drive belt again a couple times trying to get it just right. I had to back off on the power, and what it really turned out to be was the drive belt was actually okay, but since the bearing was not working well, it would rotate a bit, then it would lock up, and it would create a lot of drag on the head, and so then the head would slow down, and I would apply pressure to it and power to it to get it driving before I realized what the heck was going on. And then of course we'd drive by the knot or whatever, and it would take a dip or dive and create a wavy board, and so after much messing around, I managed to get cants down to manageable size and make some nice 2x, but I had to clean up some that had the waves on, and ended up without being able to produce one cant at 2x6. Ended up a little bit shy. Customer was fine. They said, you know, it doesn't really matter, we can use 2x4s or 2x5s or whatever. So that one ended up getting 2x5s out of it, but I hate doing that. But I guess the one thing about portable milling is these things do happen. Mills don't always perform at 100%, even when you do maintenance. I like to think I do pretty good maintenance on the mill and have taken pretty good care of it, but I've had things break before, and this is just one more of them. So now I've got to tear that apart and try to get that bearing and see what's going on, and I'm guessing it's just been out in the weather too long. This is a mill that does not get put in a mill shed or hidden away. It's in the weather year round. So it's entirely possible it just got, too much water, not enough grease, who knows. And as a result, the bearing shot. I just need to replace that bearing. So in the end, we got the job done though. That big monster log is done. It's off the mill. One more mill squisher down. Old jarhead wins. Logzilla loses. Yeehaw! Gotta love it. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe, it helps.